Ibo, my brother. Nyora sitani link in comment section.
Confidence yako it's depleted. Kana freestyle. Captain guys a bit.
Banduru rako rekon fafaranziki. Andikwanisa bit anama speak. Apa ndiri kuno kusina maspika ningori microphone uyu. But ndicharidzira nema earphones. But manje ndakutotanga recording apo. Timbopinda muma emails. Guys, if you sent me your song and you expecting a verse from me, today I'm gonna pick only 5 songs or more. Let's see if I can from 0 to 1,000 views. Picky.com. Twitch Baba. Twitch, are you there? Yeah, the Yard Boy is here. Tell me if you can hear me. Remember, we bridged the gap, you know. It's Pop 10, the Yard Boy representing Zimbabwe, where I come from. I love my people so much. And remember, I told you I'm gonna be giving free verses to 50 people. Kana wakuda uru 60 wakubadara. I'm not joking about that. But let's go. Let's see who sent me a verse. Ara Pius, Baba. Yo. Ara Pius, Baba. Yeah, let me start with that one. I'm gonna start with Ara Pius. Anyway, God is the greatest. Ketchup sanga bazo senda vesi na pop 10 anenge everything zima ausiriwere uri kukwidza vanhu papano gara zviyani ndino kanoda kudhando everything but masimba ndakakupa futi kaiwe nayo nse muri collaboration collaborate masimba umphathi ntambo nkulumente yeweZimbabwe uyasudzeneleyo umongameli we-Yard Boy Records uPop 10 uyashaya ingoma lama upcoming artist uyazi ukuthi abantwana abafuna ukuhlukuma bafuna ukwenda phambili so uPop 10 uzoshaya ingoma namhla ngiyavula i-email yami ngiyabona ukuthi uRPUZ unthumele i-email ufuna ukuthi ngisha iverse esong so ngiyalalela ukuthi isong leyi umnandi o ayipasa ayizimnandi ingoma leyi yeyitwa Only Fans uRPUZ utheni Only Fans shit ndo manamba na Chris Brown kaya rakaipa marinzwaka ndichipanoloda mchi Pop 10 ndo I mean shit yeah mana rakaipa baba. Yes, if you are on Facebook, I'm giving people free verses. Only 50 people from my country. You understand? The 60th person should pay. I recorded 10 so far. And now we are continuing. You understand? We're supporting my people. Everything Zim, I see you on Twitch. Viewers man go to Twitch you go. Ready? Apa biwi po mamonya nikaita zvinoitwa nemamonya. Yeah. Shamwari ndo masonga na Chris Brown kaya warinzwa beatiro.
It's an email.
Shit pakuda anondisponsor wapi because computer 1 yakuremera kuvhura recording software zvisine malive. Mbinga ndaitawo generous apa chindisapotaiwe semupana love nenyika mongonditengerawo laptop yekurekodesa shit but I wish somebody can send me my mini Mac. There's a mini Mac rangu riri kuZimbabwe riri very fast rekuti papa dai ratopedza kuvhura pamwe dai nitori live ndichitodi everything Zim ndaminimize screen ndomuraundudze kuti zviri ndichiri kuonekwa here ndiri kunzwika here kuTwitch nekuFacebook because so far ndavhura logic
inouya kuseri
serious
nemake yakutoitira uya kuseri
ndo zvandokudirai ngoma platinum ndiri kunzwika here everything same
nice and crisp.
Nice one ko kuFacebook nekuTwitch because ndiri live pa Facebook, YouTube and Twitch live everywhere. Remember guys, we are always setting the trends. Muchazoona vamwe vakupisa pazokangana kuti pop trend yakazvitanga izvo. First artist in Zimbabwe to be using Twitch, me. Let's go. Also the first artist to offer free verses to the youngins. We are also making sure we bridge the gap. Let me know guys if I'm still active on Twitch because right now I'm opening my vanhu vari kufara nene hoyo yes aya so we are opening the first project RPU's only fans. Let me play the beat again koranyarara shit nice one ndimbotanga ndamboridzira vanhu bhuku ramwari vambondinzwa ndichiita zvekuchechi papa studio yangu timuona tinorira here shit, I love my life, man. You know, guys, life is nice when you just say, I want to do this, and somebody doesn't say anything. It's so depressing when you are a guy that has a lot of, do you know the Hezerana that have, that's got a lot of ideas, and people always tell you, Ajite. Guys, man. Yes, I ndini ndandichimba but now ndakutorera my earphones manje you know me I wish zvichachinja maybe zvichachinja but man I just do free ndiye kana aburuka futi usadaro Caitlin mudiwa wangu ye guys remember if you sent me your verses I am now recording them. Usahla hawo zvidiki ndokufundisa. Tokunyorera mumanzidzi.
Haikuwana daenda ikona kuimba.
Mana create but mazano AI zvangoita voice rangu rinoshanda.
Yes.
Munhu wese anogona kuimba.
Aiwa kachimazonetsa live.
Unoziva kuti ndakashokwa mapieces anogadzirwa zva ndakashokwa ndichiziva kuti inozi song yano zvinogona zvakaramba last year
AI
zvichaita chete AI zvamana
serious saka
takainamatira nyaya yeAI futi
saka hapana zvatichatongoita takungorova AI guys I've been considering ndakadownloada Suno nezuro. I'm not gonna be left out again. Do you know that I was in the same room, my piano ichitanga kugadzirwa, and I told myself, fuck it, I'm a dance artist and dimbe twinides. Look, I'm regretting now. I was talking to Devon, Devon, ndumura ndigadzirira song AI. This time I'm sikuda kusara zvikanzi wakambozviita pamapiano. This time I won't, guys. Twitch, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. I hope you guys are doing well. Pop 10 is here. I am now voicing on something from RPU's. It's called OnlyFans, so most likely the idea is OnlyFans. I hope I share it. You know me, we do freestyles. Uyakuno, yet boy. Make them know. Mukwidze Emidage.
Ndatigara usarwe nezuva.
Andira kutombori nazo nonditori mumba pati.
Saka ndizvozvo. Saka wendo mashops.
schooling just outside the gate.
Good boy. Yeah.
Uzoramba Celine.
My girl, you are actor. I'm loving when you in your character. My girl, you are actor. You feel come. Man, it's up and one idea. My girl, you are. Make your body dance.
Try.
All right. Ndakudzikisa volume kuno so that munokwanisa kutaura zvenyindiki. You can keep talking, guys. Ndakurova OnlyFans by Arapuse. Ungana nemaiso microphone Swanje. Swanje asikukwira sekupalapo. How are you doing Twitch? How are you doing YouTube? This is Pop 10. Yes, I'm starting with a verse from Arapuse. Remember, we have to support everybody what we believe need the support. And if you send me your verses on my email, you might just get lucky. Today is the day. I keep the promises. Remember, we always say rule number 1, stick to the plan. Rule number 2, stick to rule number 1. Ndandavhara kamera zvangu nindofarisa. Let me know if ndiri kuoneka zvakanaka everything. Ndiri kuoneka zvakanaka ere kuYouTube kuone kuFacebook. Who is watching YouTube, Facebook? Ndiri kuoneka zvakanaka. Adaira. Kamera iri in position zvakanaka. Hello? Aiwa, ino iripo. YouTube. Iri sei? Iri in position po. Alright, asaka po. Sasa ndakutanga recording guys. Ndakudzora volume ku TikTok. We live everywhere. Pop 10 technology. You know me, ya Khalifa. You know me, ya Khalifa, but I want you. Yeah, boy. My girl, you are actor. I want you to come to the. My girl, you are actor. No, break character. Yeah, my girl, you are actor. Factor. You know me, ya Khalifa. Ooh, make me your Johnny Saints. That boy. My girl, she's an actor, and I love it when she break character. Come to chiropractor. Hey, make we act like a character. Ha, my girl like a and I love you and I'm an actor. Yeah, I need like a doctor, and you need me some doctor. Here I unify, only one, oh my, I want. Hey. Yo, Arapuse. Yeah, for the girl them. You know me, ya Khalifa. Make me your Johnny Saints. That boy. My girl is an actor, and I love it when she break character. Hey, man. My girl, you are actor, and I love it when you break character. And I love it, and I really love it when you break. I love it when you break your character. My girl, she an actor, and I love it when she break her character. My girl, you an actor, and I love it when you break your character. Hey, make we act like X Factor, make we beat like X Factor. If you come run to the make me be your, I'ma be your chiropractor. Make we X Factor, playing dangerous like X Factor. Yakono. That boy. You know me, ya Khalifa. Make me your Johnny Saints. That boy. My girl, you an actor, and I love it when you break your character. Hey, make me your chiropractor. I'm awake some movie X Factor. My girl, you an actor, and I love it when you break your character. Hey, make me chiropractor, make we egg be movies X Factor. Wanna see your body, I'm a only fans, and I'm in like your fan, and I'm a meaning and anything you know love. I wanna really know. Baby, you're Johnny said, Manana, me day, and the body on day, no holiday. Fuck it, down there. Pull up again. My girl, you character, I think that one a song. Zugna kizere, ndo kuna ndukushaya. Ngoterera iri rough draft, but undo delete. New kirukita say. Uri boere. My girl is my girl is an actor, and I love it when she break her character. Yeah, press like chiropractor, press like chiropractor, press like just like chiropractor. I'm a man, X factor. Yeah, my girl is an actor, and I love it when she break her character. Yeah, press like chiropractor, like a doctor. Yeah, I'm a biogynecologist doctor. Bombo clad. Ba, ba, ba. Make me your Johnny Sins. You know me a Khalifa. Make me your Johnny Sins. Yet boy. My girl, she's an actor, and I love it when she break her character. Yeah, praise like chiropractor. I'm a biogynecologist doctor. My girl, she's an actor, and I love it when she break your character. Yeah, make me chiropractor. I'm a biogynecologist doctor. Gynecologist, bra. Ya, nona mdiwa nchikuparudo. Yo, yeah, man is always in a good mood, man. When we make music, yeah, we don't play. Dari mere pana gyno. My girl, she's an actor, and I love it when she break her character. Yeah, my girl, she's an actor. Make me brace like chiropractor. I'm a biogynecologist doctor. Yeah, shit. I don't know that kuzorekota usina producer kunorwadza. Handina patience, but Mwari ndowedu tese. My girl, she's an actor. She want the only fans. Dance. She said, come on, only fans. If you wanna see me dance, you know, I understand a chance. If you spend a milli, you can come on OnlyFans. If you wanna see me dance, I'm a chance. If you give me that a milli. Can record the band preset, man. Coach Chikitika. Dogs in Zonchinagi, can open recent. God City, Captain Putin, Tam, but Tam, up and down, data service. My girl, she's an actor, and I love it when she break her character. Yeah, press like chiropractor. I'm a biogynecologist doctor. Ooh, there's my baking of Kakilani. I was very R&B. Ooh, my girl, she's an actor, and I love it when she break her character. Yeah. My girl, she's an actor, and I love it when she break your character. Yeah. Press her like her, press like chiropractor. What one? What you am doing now, girl? Wanakirwa nempana wangu. Kunobikwa. Ndati kunobikwa kwedu. Muze mnongona kuti kunobikwa. Yo, wagwan Swanchi. Nyuki, you know you want a Nyuki, me can't put you on many more, man. But yes, guys, remember, we are giving free verses, 50 Zimbabwean youths that are lucky. It's not about lucky, it's not about luck anyway. We are just trying to show or display the art of professionalism. If you come to my inbox or Instagram asking for collaboration, I don't normally answer. But if you send me your song on my email, you will get your verse. So 50 youngsters from Zimbabwe sent me their songs. So it's time I give back. I've been like too busy trying to settle down, getting equipment. Now I got equipment. So it's time we do what we promised. So now I'm gonna put my time to this first ones by Arapius. I hope YouTube muri enjoy. I hope Twitter muri enjoy, and I hope Facebook is enjoying as well, because the Yard Boy is live everywhere, especially Twitch. I'm new on Twitch, guys. Follow me. Follow my new Twitch account, please, 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 please. My girl, she's an actor, and I love it when she break her character. Yeah. Yeah. So far I'm freeze your computer, but it's true naked. And Tom can construct my lyrics and naked. My girl, she's an actor, and I love it when she break her character. Yeah. Press it. I'm a biogynecologist doctor. Yeah. My girl, she's an actor, and I love it when she break her character. Yeah. Press it. Press like chiropractor. You wanna see me? Honey, only fan. See? Spend a million.
Yeah?
Let me gonna spend a million. Wagwan. Yes, what's going on, my familia? My girl, she's an actor, and I love it when she break your character. Yeah, press like chiropractor. I'm a biogynecologist doctor. Yeah, my girl, she's an actor, and I love it when she break your character. Yeah, press like chiropractor. I'm a biogynecologist doctor. She say you wanna see me? Come to OnlyFans when we do the dance. And I make you spend a milli and I want an international song of Arab music. Hey, imagine Ari Taylor kimba chorus and kimba. He say you is come to OnlyFans and I need you when you dance. And I make you spend a milli. Ooh. Yes. Mwarone man wow, guys. Arapius, how do you make a song called this one is not a verses. I'm actually creating a new song, a hook for Arapius. He did not put anything. So I'm coming up with an idea. He just said he has a beat that he thinks I can really do well on. And I feel like I can do well for real on it, innit? So yeah, pick up yourself, Arapius. You're a bad man. You chose the right beat, you know what I mean? Parwari wapanapa and zunakidza. Yes, and pakudariya baba aya zvinonakidza kufacebook. Remember ndimaona tiri kumitira macomments. Iwe wakambona kupe mnandariya bano pamageto it's makolabo 50. Zvinotoda riabo for you because love yacho nemusic yanyanyisa man. Love nemageto it's nemangoma yanyanyisa, yeah? Guys, vanonzwisisa masoftware muripiko mumbondudza uchikitika. Logic yakafreeza panapa. Kasi it's because ndiri live. Ndombovhara ndotangidza. My girl, she's an actor. Paroda imwe computer apa. Esha andu kustruggle. Ndanzi ndiye kuseri futi na platinum. Yes sir, Nyuki wadi. Logic. Andigoni chance mamwe sir. Andoitemba software. Ndoitemba. Yeah? Manje apa ndiri live kuma platforms 5 kusanganisira TikTok. Ndiri kustraina machine. Sandoneta parudampinga inongonitengerawo computer. Let me wait for this nimbo interact nevanhu. Yes guys, this is what's going on. I'm writing on this beat from RPUs and the song is called Only Fans. It's quite good. I love it. I love it. I love it, no lie. The problem now is just that the machine is freezing. That's why I'm on it. Tikandireyo madhora. Man, wakazviramba pane uda kukumbira madhora edu anzi kushata. Neyo kushata kunge munhu arikudya tune munzeve. Ndoyasandinonzere inzwa munze ndiri kugara pabeat here ndo idea ndauya nayo yatibowe yo King Shumba, listen this. My girl, she's an actor. Oh, logic yacho yabva yazobvumawo kuvhura futi inga inoonerero chiko chikuitika. Pull up again. Listen this. Yard boy. She said, come to OnlyFans. One dance. Yard boy. My girl, she's an actor. And I love it when she break her character. Yeah. Pressed like chiropractor. I'm a biogynecologist doctor. My girl, she's an actor. And I love it when she break her character. Yeah. Pressed like chiropractor. I'm a biogynecologist doctor.